Hello everyone, Charles here with SlickTrade.net, and in this video I'm going to talk about the euro dollar analysis that I sent out last week to you all. So this was the chart from last week. I just brought up the post on the website here, and as you can see we ended right here, okay? Or did not end, sorry. This was the chart that I shared with you guys last week, and here this is what price did. So this was our upper and lower portion of our new defined range. This is the daily time frame on the euro dollar. And as you can see, price broke above our week 1 support and continued on up. All right, this was a beautiful move. You could have gained about 80 pips or so off that. Well, potentially even more, depending if you were still in that trade yesterday. Okay, so beautiful. We hit our targets, and let's talk about what's going to happen this week or in the upcoming weeks. Okay, so last week I talked a little bit about how if price broke below this new defined range, okay, or D1 support, then we were more than likely looking at a full trend reversal. Okay, but that is not what happened. We broke to the upside. So, excuse me. So, what is going to happen here? What does this mean? All right, this could mean one of a few different things, okay? So this could have just been continued up, continued up, continued up, correction, deeper correction, okay? So this could be a deeper correction instead of a full trend reversal, okay? We could be in our first leg down. Well, I guess you could call this first or second leg down. It depends how you trade it, to be honest with you, okay? Some of us wait for a first leg to fully form before we actually call it the first leg, okay? So if you see inconsistencies from trader to trader, that could be why. Some would say this is the first leg, okay, and this would be second if we continue down further and create a new low. But some wait, all right, for that full break, which would be here, meaning this would be the first leg, okay? So each trader just kind of uses a little bit different terminology and a different take on the market, okay? So I have had some people ask that before, you know, how come you say first leg and this person says first leg and this person says second, or, you know, so on and so forth. That's really why, okay? It just really just depends how you trade it. So I don't really think any is wrong. But anyway, so we've got a leg, okay? And if this level holds, the 1.21442, then we could continue down and create a new low, which would be probably around the 1.19249 level, okay? But if this D1 support holds of 1.19660, then we could just be looking at a consolidation period, okay? So what a consolidation period means to me is that price is fluctuating in between two levels for a period of time, okay? It's making up its mind where it's going to go, but it stays within those levels, and you can capitalize on those levels if you're trading it properly, especially with the daily time frame, okay? If you're on shorter time frames, I don't necessarily recommend that, but that's just me. I'm a long-term trader. I like to stay in trades for a good amount of time, okay? So as far as the upcoming week is concerned, let's take a look at this. Let's create a new defined range, okay? here, because this is a pretty key. Right here's where we're hitting. So right about there. Okay, this is not perfect, but it's going to give you an idea. Okay, this line represents where price is fluctuating in between. Okay, so actually bring that right there. That's a little bit better. Oops. Doesn't have to be exact, but it gives you an idea. So you can see back here, back in August of 2020, price comes down, back up. Right here we have some pretty tall candles with wicks, or pretty tall wicks, and price breaks down below and shoots right back up. Okay, until we have this momentum candle to the downside, we don't actually break this level. Once we do, you get some nice movement. Then price comes up and back down, and up and back down. So you can see this is a hit point clear across the board for the past while now. 8 months, 9 months. Okay, so when we come over here, we're experiencing the same thing. Price comes down, back up, down. This is where you experience some resistance. Okay, so this is a solid key level, and we're coming up to it. Well, actually, this wick actually did come up to it, but this is an indication, or this is a good level to watch. Okay, so we have a new defined range, which I would say is right about here and here. It's down a little closer, so to the D1 resistance. Okay, and this support level here of 1.20846. Okay, all that this means right now, I'm just plotting out some support resistance levels. Okay, these will be our new targets. Oops. If you're not familiar with support resistance, please check out slicktrade.net. We have a lot of free education. We do also offer paid services and signals, but free education is key. Because in all reality, your brain is the most powerful indicator on the market, and it's free. Okay, you just got to power it with some knowledge, okay, and practice. If you're new to trading, just open a demo account, all right, and try it out. You can use it like you would use a live account. This right here, this is just a demo account. Okay, this is what I use to plot things out every week. And then on my VPS, that's where I set up my trades, okay, for my live trading. So right here, we have a new defined range. This is the upper portion, and this is the lower portion, okay? Now, if price breaks and the candle body holds above or below, then we have some nice take profit levels, okay? If we short to the downside, we got 32 pips, 67, 110, and 146. It's the upside, 36, 70, 101, and then you continue up to the top of this. Okay, so we'll see what the market delivers. Okay. Right now, like I said, we're just in a consolidation period. And you can capitalize on that either way. All right. So, that's the plan. It's pretty simple. All I did, like I said, was just create that new defined range on the daily time frame. I usually stick this range to around 100 pips. Okay. It's not exactly 100. It's probably going to be, 80 something, 90, 84. Okay. And then take profits you set at previous support and resistance for best accuracy. If you're new to trading and you don't really know how to plot these out, like I said, check out the free education at slicktrade.net. We have multiple videos and posts that are about support and resistance, supply and demand zones, how to plot things properly, or just check in, with our free signals. I do talk about this, and I like to explain it. I want you to know, that you don't necessarily need indicators or some magic system. That system is your brain, okay? And then until you get there, okay, just know that you want on the daily time frame to set your take profits roughly like 30 to 50 pips, okay? But again, for proper accuracy, look at previous support and resistance. There's a lot of free indicators. We have a lot of free indicators even at slicktrade.net, where you can download just some basic support and resistance. These ones that are on my screen, these are all out there, and they're free. So check that out. And let us know if you have any questions, okay, or requests for certain videos, or further explanation. But this is our plan, and let's see what the market delivers us this week, okay? You guys have a good one, and I will talk to you later.